What does the seagull say? Oh, that's a good seagull.
And some people camping in that direction, but there are like these little bushes that let you pee and shit if you want. It's really cool. She's not in a good mood. Good morning.
Morning.
It's 7.
7.
Yeah.
We missed the sunrise. This is not as wild.
It's got a lot of people in here. I think I'm not gonna stay here again. It's really weird people. This is the place.
What does the seagull say? Oh, that's a good seagull.
She wanted to touch the water. Yay! We're leaving this place because it's, well, paid. We're gonna look for a free camping one. We've all taken showers. I don't know if I told you yesterday, which was, it was fine.
Pressure.
Sophie cried. It was pretty cold. But we're gonna look for some place to charge our technologies, hit the store.
Christmas joke.
See how it goes. Zooming. You look like an elf. Like a Mexican elf. We've played on the beach for a while, but it's very windy and very rainy. I don't know, the sun just came out, and once we left the beach, the sun came out.
We'll come back.
Bye! Maybe we'll be back.
We don't find another place to sleep, we might be back.
It's also got a lot of people, which I don't really enjoy. I don't mind a few people, but having neighbors on both sides is kind of...
about the campgrounds.
There are the showers over there. Some restaurant with Wi-Fi and where we can connect our technologies. And I sell beer. Shush! Sorry, this is a little charging machine thingy that's 100 years old. We found a really cool spot. It's called La Gringa, right? Just La Gringa. It's a little pebble beach. Definitely check it out if you're near Bahía de Los Angeles. It's really cool. It's free and it's very flat. It seems to be a bit more private, although now it's Christmas vacation, so probably on summer this is gonna be stuffed. It's supposed to have one entrance, I think, La Gringa, and then you just go, but someone cut it here. There are just a lot of little roads that lead this way, and yeah. See, welcome to La Gringa. And then it's got some cabins right there, and some people camping in that direction, but there are like these little bushes that let you pee and shit if you want. It's really cool. Also, does anyone else have this problem? 5 minutes. We were driving.
It's amazing. Oh, we do have neighbors there. Cool. Another one's there, which is perfect. We're not all alone. We can like honk in case of an emergency. This is a great place.
already in bed when we realized that we didn't end the vlog. You can't see us, but we're there. Good night. See you tomorrow. Next week, I mean. Still can't see anything. That's the light. It's my cheek.
Yeah.
There is a child somewhere out there. Don't be creepy. Anyway, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night. See you next Thursday. Have a great day. Don't you poke me.